warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So how to make payment for the juzu you want to join. So kindly look out of the juzu and select the juzu you want to join again, or the one you joined before. So here it is juzu 30. Click on this link. Juzu 29. Click on this one. 28, 27, 26, 16, and juzu 1. So click on the link of any of the juzu. So now let me use juzu 30 as an example. So I'll be clicking on the link right now. So allow it to load. Okay. Once it is loaded like this, scroll up and look for this join now button. So click on it. Join now button. So once it is load up like this, so you have to fill in your details. You can see my own name is already there. It's because I've been using the website before. That is why it has load up my details. So but on your own case, you have to fill in your full name. Then you put in your Gmail. So make sure that it is a Gmail that you have an access to, and the one that you can receive message with it. Because once you made the payment, you are going to receive the receipt on your email or your Gmail. So once you put in your Gmail, then you confirm it again. You will re-put it again. After that, you enter your phone number. Yeah, you enter your phone number. Let me put this one. 80, 89, 41, 59, 43. So that's all. Then after that, you scroll down again. You scroll down. You can see all these boxes. This one, this one, this one. You check all of them. So I'll do that right now. Check, check, check. So then after you do that, you click on pay now. So you just need 3 things: your full name, your email, and your phone number. So you click on pay now. Allow it to load. Yeah. So once it is loaded like this, you have different options to make payment. So the first one here is pay with card. That means if you have a valid ATM card, you can click on it to input the details. Another one is pay with transfer, which I believe that's most people used to use. So that's what most people used to use. So you click on it like this. If you want to make payment via transfer, click on it. So then once you click on it like this, you are going to ask to copy this account number. Can you see the account number here? So you copy it and you go and paste it on your mobile bank app you want to transfer from. Then you are to transfer this exactly amount, 4,964 naira 50 kobo. Make sure that it's not less and it's not more than this. So if you can, if there may be mistake in typing it, you can copy the what's it called, the amount as well. So then after you transfer the money, and make sure that is the name that will be for you: Paystack Titan or Paystack Checkout. This one, Paystack Checkout. That's what it will bring for you as the name of the account. Then this account number. So, and once you do the transfer from your app, today you minimize. You can minimize from there to your bank app. This is my OP. So you just click on it. You can make sure once you made the payment from the app, so then you come back here and click on I have transferred the money. So click on have sent the money. So once you click it, it will load and it will take you to the next step. So another option you can use to make payments. So they are trying to verify, but I didn't transfer the money, so I can change the payment. So come back to this OP. So you can transfer with OP directly as well. Click on it. So after you are going to authenticate. Click on authenticate. So they are going to move you to your app directly. So these are how to make the payment. So after going through this process, if you are facing any sort challenges, chat with me on WhatsApp. So I'm going to give you another option which you can use if you are not able to make the payment on the website. Barakallahu fikum. Wassalamu alaikum.